Hello everyone, and a big warm welcome back to another episode of Explore with Lisa. So, as you know, we've been traveling through Vietnam, and for most of our time there, we decided to stay in Airbnbs. We usually love that kind of experience. The local charm, the unique interiors, the feeling of living like a local, even if just for a few days. And honestly, most of them were perfectly fine, comfortable, clean, and full of character. But unfortunately, our very last Airbnb turned out to be a real letdown. Let's just say, it wasn't what we expected at all, not even close. So we made a decision. We packed our things and left. If you're curious about what actually happened, you can check out the Mr. H2A's video that I showed earlier in this episode. Anyway, we didn't let that little hiccup ruin our mood. We quickly booked a room at the Mövenpick Hotel instead, and honestly, what a lovely decision that turned out to be. The room was wonderfully spacious. Plenty of room to stretch out, to lie down, to just breathe and relax after long days of exploring the city. And it was kept spotlessly clean throughout our stay, which we really appreciated. There was only one small downside: the air conditioning. It kept the room comfortable, sure, but it was never quite icy cold, not a big deal, really. Just a tiny thing in the grand scheme of things. But here's the part we absolutely loved. Every single afternoon, the hotel had something called the chocolate corner. And oh my goodness, it was pure heaven. Every day around tea time, they'd put out the most gorgeous spread of chocolate desserts, rich, moist cakes, silky, smooth mousses, delicate little tarts, and tiny truffle bites that just melted in your mouth. It quickly became our favorite ritual of the day, that little moment of sweetness right in the middle of the afternoon, and honestly, those sweet treats made everything feel better. So yes, while the trip had its little bumps along the way, that one Airbnb fail, a few unexpected weather changes, and the usual travel quirks, we still managed to end it on a truly sweet and happy note. And looking back, those imperfect moments, they're often what make a trip most memorable. Don't you think? Thank you so much for watching and for following along on our journey. It truly means a lot to us. Have a beautiful day. Stay happy. And don't forget to smile. See you next time. See you next time.